So my name is Hugh O'Keefe. My pronouns are he and him. I am a diversity and inclusion lead for enei. The full name is the Employers Network for Equality and Inclusion. We host all of our e-learning through Nimble, but the Inclusive Leadership course specifically came about because of many of the conversations that my colleagues and I will have with our 400 plus members. Through those conversations, it was really well established that a big driving force is senior leaders. So ensuring that senior leaders are informed about the principles of DEI, understanding where people can be involved and recognizing specific barriers that will be presented often for leaders was really a focus for us more generally. The real key thing about e-learning in Nimble was to be able to provide a space for people to do that in their own time, to be able to really dive deeply with rich media, different resources, linking out to further reading, all those sorts of things in a really nice and neat package that's easy to navigate. I guess some of the best feedback is seeing how well it's adopted, where members might ask us specifically for this training because they've been made aware of it through other members. So for instance, one of the pieces of information that I do have is how crucial it's been particularly to charities and community-based organisations, as well as a number of NHS trusts, so of all those members that are involved in one particular sector, recognising the importance and then sort of learning from their peers, the value that kind of response and feedback really speaks for itself. I mean, really all of the e-learning for us is a really essential part of the package of membership for our community and corporate members. The biggest thing that we're focusing on at the moment is accessibility. So I've been having conversations even with our account manager at Nimble to understand how best to adapt what we have tied into all of our existing content and resources that are part of the membership package and make sure that they're really able to adjust it on the basis of accessibility tools. It's really important to us that every employee is supported, whether that relates to something that's a protected characteristic covered within the Equality Act, whether it's not, whether it's more generally employee well-being, all those sorts of things. So there's lots more topics for us to dive into. Definitely broadening our reach, so having more and more people being able to access the learning modules. Yeah, digging a little bit deeper into lots of different topics. It's very much the way in which Nimble works that allows us to do that.